Business After School, the main purpose really is to introduce middle school and high school students in the greater Spokane region to the vast variety of careers that they have available to them after high school, and to align those with pathways in college or post-secondary programs, as well as maybe apprenticeship programs right after graduating high school. Yeah, so we offer about 10 workshops per semester. We'll have 20 for the whole entire school year, covering a variety of different industries. Today is our biggest yet of the year, and we have all middle and high school students, so 6th through 12th graders here. And so really exposing their understanding of what options and opportunities are out there for them. Because a lot of times they only know what their mom and dad do, what family friends do. And so when they're visiting different businesses around the region, they're really exposed to different things they maybe have not heard about or thought about, and learning about how their curriculum that they're surrounded by every day applies to those careers and those industries.